Hi all, this is Ellen from EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to go over some of the newer Pinkfresh bundles that have the washi tapes and the stamps and the dies and the stencils and all the things. So I had picked up 3 different sets and I wanted to go over those with you, and then I wanted to show you how to use the washi tape to make ephemera for your card making or your projects. So first I will show you, this one is called Artsy Floral, and this is the washi tape. It is gorgeous and it has gold foiling on there. And then it has the stamp set, which is the matching, and it has a few different sentiments on here on the bottom. So this one's really pretty. I love kind of the sketchy look of it. So if you're more into stamping and you want to color your own, there are also the stencils that match with that. And then you have the die, and I pulled out the big die in here, but it can cut out the washi tape, it can cut out the stamped images, and then it also has the sentiment dies there. This next one is called Fluttering Butterflies. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at those butterflies. I love them. And again, this one has the gold foiling as well. Alright, same situation. You have the stamp set with the sentiments on there. You have the stencil, and you have the die set. And then the third one, which I absolutely love, is the Sakura, which are the cherry blossoms. Look at this. Fantastic. And here's the stamp set for that. Again, with it's a full stamp of all of the images. And then you have the sentiments. And the stencil. And the die. So these are actually the dies for that. They're all in one big die so that you can do one pass, and then you can cut out all of the images from either the stamp or the washi tape. So like this butterfly one, for example. See, that fits perfectly on there, and it'll cut all those out for you. So I thought what we could do today, I could show you how to use this if you've never used this before. And we can do the butterfly one since that's out. So what I like to do is I grab half a sheet of paper, the 8.5 by 11, and I cut it at 4 1/4. So what you want to do is you can unroll this and you can see where the pattern is repeating, so you know that you need to cut that in between the leaves and the butterflies there. I find it's easier if you roll the washi tape onto the paper instead of taking a big thing and trying to stick it all down at once. So you just unroll it, unroll it, unroll it, and then when you get to where you need to cut it, you just cut it across, and then you want to smooth it out. I like to give it a little back rub. Alright, so one thing to keep in mind is that washi tape is very slippery. So when you tape down the die for this, you want to try to attach the die to the regular paper. So leave yourself a little room on the edges, because washi tape or pixie tape or whatever you use to hold on your paper, it won't actually stick. Washi tape won't stick on washi tape. So you want to be able to keep this down because it's very slippery on top of here. So you just need to make sure that you're attaching it to the paper around the edges. Okay, so I have a Sizzix switch machine, which is off to the side. So I am going to run this through my die cut machine, and then I will be right back, and I can share the results with you. Okay. And I just put a piece of paper on top of there to protect the surface of those butterflies from my lumpy, scratchy plates. Well, these all popped right out. Okay, so all of them fell right out, no problem. And here is what we got from just that one pass, which is pretty amazing. Oop, missed one over there. So what you can do is you can use these, you know, on the front of a card and kind of build a scene with that. And if you get some of the other tapes, you can add in flowers, but this would be really nice to have just on the front there. So thank you very much. I hope this was helpful for you, and thank you for stopping by. Until next time, have a great day.